This video explains how to replace the Versalink B625 Imaging Kit. The imaging unit is accessible from the front of the printer. Open door A. Firmly grip the cartridge handle, then remove the toner cartridge. Remove the used imaging unit from the printer. Unpack the new black imaging unit. Be careful to protect the imaging unit from fingerprints and light. To redistribute the toner in the imaging unit, shake it 3 times. Insert the new imaging unit straight into the printer. Insert the toner cartridge back into the printer. Close door A.